It's 7th of December, and today myself. So we are on our way, and we are now filling the petrol in the car. And moreover, one thing I want to tell you that first we will go to Chichavatni. Where there we will meet our old friend, but he is not more our friend. There we have to sort out some problem with our old friend, which is not more our friend. I mean, after that we will go to Saad, but first we have to go to Chichavatni. There we will do some problem sort out thing with his father and the Rana. There we will this is our beard and hairs are not very well, so we are going to cut and shave, trim our hairs so that we can look beautiful and pretty. Okay.
Always feeling hungry.
So we have reached Chichavatni, and now we are going to the barber shop which is right in front of us, not in front of us, in the right side of us. And after having our beard trimmed, after that we will what we will do.
Saif Rahim, come here.
Saif Rahim will come
Or
here.
we come here.
Yes. Now we are done with the trimming our beard, and Saif is waiting for us at that Rana, so-called Rana's house, and we are going to meet him, and then we will go to the Rana's house and sort out our problem. So see you there. We have met Saad. We have met Akib and Akib's father, and sort out our problem. It has been sorted out peacefully, very peacefully and humbly and requestfully, so that we are now clear from Akib. Now we are not anymore friend with Akib.
Now we are going to Kasawal.
Now we are going to Kasawal. There lives Saad at Nabbe Mode. But before going to Kasawal, we have to do little bit of thing that we are we have rice which Sufi has gifted to me, and we have to deliver it to our village at my home. And we are now having a rickshaw so that we can send this to our home and travel further to Adnapam. Now we are going to rickshaw, find rickshaw and give them the rice.
Before we are going wrong.
We are going wrong? Yani ki? No, we are not going wrong. I am having a shortcut where there is no traffic. If we go from there will be much greater traffic. So I was not willing to go from there.
But I bought a chipstick.
You have to buy a chipstick. I will buy you a chipstick. Sufi Saab has to buy chipstick. What do you want from us?
10 रुपये लेने वांछा.
You want 10 rupees? But so what do you want?
100 रुपया वांछा.
You want 100 rupees? But we don't have 100 rupees. We have we don't have money. We have a Bombay safari if you want to eat.
10 रुपये वांछा.
No 10 rupees. I have Bombay. Give them the 10 rupees note. 5 for you and 5 for you. Okay? You have 5. Don't take all the money. Okay.
बटवा खान
If you take all the money, then I will beat you. I will come back and give him 100 rupees if you don't give him money. Okay?
ठीक है ओके
Go.
100
100.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go toward the
Shopkeeper
rickshaw.
Shopkeeper have not chipstick.
You didn't get any chipstick from this shop.
No.
They don't give from the chipstick, and there is no chipstick, so that we can have a oil from them. There, different
That's a
kind
cheap
of
shop and shopkeeper also cheap.
cheap. Yes, very cheap. We are having a good quality scoped, so that we can have a good kind of what chipstick.
Yeah, left side, but
Their left
This
side
shop,
there is
yeah.
a shop, so that we can buy a chipstick. Go Husnain Superstore is a bigger store, so that maybe we can find from here. You don't want to what?
the 20 rupees.
Okay, give them the
Price of this.
price of this.
This is okay.
It's Guzara. It can do some other thing.
Okay. No worry.
No worries.
Sit. Sorry, man, the fan ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਗੁਰ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ.
What the hell are you saying?
The fan is opening.
Yes, the fan. Not fan is opening. Fan is off. A little bit movement I can.
Opening.
Yes.
Check the heater.
Heater is off.
नहीं वो
No, I think the fan is running continuously.
व्लॉग बनाना व्लॉग
I am
Okay.
an English speaker, very great English speaker, amazing English
Yeah.
speaker, high use of vocabulary and high quality English. And there is a blockage. And there we have a blockage.
और जट साहब मैं तो क्या कोई असर दे पानी लिया अगर काम जाना है तो मैं 10 के जाना ओके सर
So we have met the friend of Baijan, Mustafa Khan Baloch, and now we are going to our friends. Now we are going toward our friend Saad.
Surround our car.
प्लीज
Okay, so now we are ready for takeoff our aeroplane. Saad Baijan is also waiting for us. Recently we has received call. He said that reach me early and fastly, so that we are now going towards Saad and we will meet you there after reaching towards Saad. Okay, bye bye.
Now we are going to pick up Mr. Saif Rahim. Then we back forward to Mr. Saad, and he is waiting very much. Yeah, very. What can I say? You can say waiting for. There are many garden of Kinnu.
orange
Kinnu. सीधी जड़ी Now we have picked up Saif Baijan. We have crossed very bad road and now we are going to very good road. And we are going towards Saad Baijan from Bangla Road. Ukam wala Bangla Road.
The Bangla that fly all over the world, the Bangla white color Bangla, the long legs and eating the fishes from the different side of the mirror, and Saad is going to take us.
How you feel to sit here, Mr. Saif?
I feel really good while and there is something like that Mustafa Baijan with us
Something like Mustafa Baijan. Yes, some like some insect like insect.
Please speak in English, yeah.
Urdu is not allowed and you are again speaking Urdu, you little insect.
My grandpa bought this car because
He received some kind of theka.
he received theka for 2 years. To take this car.
What is Theka?
Theka,
What is theka? Tell the people. The people also
We-
want to know what is theka.
we borrow our land to any person other
Which
than
type
us.
of land?
Land, growing land,
Agriculture land.
agricultural land, and 2 years theka. My grandpa feeling very.
You receive
Tell them, tell
Theka.
My
Theka
grand.
is some kind of money, you can say.
Theka is money or is something else.
Theka is money.
So money is theka.
Money is
If I
theka.
give you 10 rupees, you will say yeah, that Ahmed has given me theka.
No, no.
So why? How can
if
you say?
If you borrow agricultural land, then you will give a theka for 1 year or 2 year or any other more.
And so
My grandpa is very old man, and
this little insect is again speaking
he
in
can't
Urdu.
he can't more on drive a bike.
Saad is serving us food. Saad, are you happy we are here? Okay. This means it means he is happy. Here is the Bagh of Saad garden, and Saad, tell us about something about the garden. Tell.
Garden is very beautiful.
tell us something about garden, please. Hello, sir.
Saad garden is very beautiful.
Talk in English, please. Tell us about what is your
Plant
garden.
is full of orange.
Speak some sentences, please.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum.
So now we are going back. We have met Saad, and now we will leave the Saif to the home. Drop, sorry, I am going to drop. We are going to drop Saif at his home, and after that we will go back to Sahiwal, and it will be very pleasure because the driving and the road is very smart. So the clear screen of the window is great. So we will very happy and enjoyable journey.
It's right on.
Thank you, and have a amazing and beautiful and day. Now we are at Flora. We are here to eat some, not eat but drink something. And it's almost 21. It's 9 o'clock now, and we are in Sahiwal. We have reached Sahiwal. Now we will drink some of the Khoya Khajur, and then we will travel toward, Noorsha. And after reaching there, I will talk to you, and I have to tell you something. I have to give you a message. which is very useful for some people like anyone, so that the clouds are there. The clouds from being, I will tell you a message, it will be very helpful for your health and also in your future life to become smarter guy and active. I am not as smarter as something, but there are smarter people which are not willing to do smarter things. Okay, so stay with me. I am there always for you. You can see it. It is khoya khajur.
And this is very powerful milkshake.
It is powerful milkshake, but I don't like it. I don't even like its taste.
But I like this.
I had just one
Because
sip.
it's very
It's very expensive, but when I take only a sip, I just want to throw it outside the window. Tell me, what should I do now? Again, now we are after having some khoya khajur balloon, and now we are eating some dahi balla from this decent shop.
and again and again.
Again and again we are being caught by, there is no balla in dahi balla. What kind of dahi balla is this? There is no dahi balla. So what kind of balla? Balla is balla. Without balla it is not dahi balla. It is only dahi and full so much common. Okay, then let me eat. I am talk to you very much after that, but first I have to eat something. Don't worry. The thing which I want to tell you here is we were friends with Akib almost from 2 years, and it just ended up just because of lies. The message here I want to give you is if you want your friendship to last long, never tell a lie, never cheat your friends, and you will be friend for centuries. You can be friend for centuries. That's it. And one more thing which I want to clear it here is that never play jackets with the hot weather and when the weather is cold, so that you can dignify your amazing jackets and different kind of trousers and grass, which is amazing. And the thing which I want to tell you is universities are not open, not universities in trees and different agriculture resources and different kind of grains and for production which I have met. That's it, and which I want to.